Oh, hold up. So this is my hair after I just combed it out. Before you wash your hair, this is very important. Before you wash your hair, ensure that you comb out all that dead hair, all the shedded hair from your head. Make sure that you do that. So this is how the hair looks after I comb it out. As you can see, fluffy, bouncy, still curls. Yes. Hi guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. So yes, after 1 week, my curls are still rocking, and this is after I washed my hair. So it's been a week since I did my hair, and now it's time to do another hair treatment. I'm using two products just to do my hot oil treatment, and I'm using this one from Dr. Miracle, which is the one that I normally use on my scalp, and then I'm also going to use the Argan oil of Morocco. So I'm just using these two, and I'm going to mix them at some point in time, but right now I'm just going to go ahead, do my scalp, and I'm just going to use my Dr. Miracle one. And as you guys can see, the amount that I have in the bottle, I'm not going to use so much, so I'm just going to take some out of the bottle and transfer it in something else, because I want to use the nozzle from this bottle, and I don't have any other bottles with nozzles like this, so that's why I'm just separating it. So what we're gonna do, let me go for my hot water and show you how we're gonna do this. I'm gonna take this bowl and I'm just going to throw some boiling water in it. I should have probably used something to hold the bowl, but take some boiling water, and then you're going to insert the bottle of your oil, and that's all you do to get your hot oil. You do not boil your oil separate. You just place it in some hot boiling water and you allow the oil to get hot. Off camera, I got a bigger bowl and I put my bottle in the hot water, and it basically took off the label off my bottle. But before you put your oil on your scalp, you need to test it first. There is no way you're going to put hot oil on your scalp. This will definitely damage or irritate your scalp. So you need to test it, see how warm it is, see if you can manage that temperature, then you apply it to your scalp. I stated before, I'm using the Dr. Miracle oil. This is specifically for scalp and hair, and that's why I'm just applying this to my scalp first. After I washed my hair, I did braid it down, because this will make it more easier for me to apply the oil. Now, this is super important, and I want you guys to listen. I see a lot of people applying water and then applying the oil. I washed my hair, I dried my hair, and now I'm applying the oil onto my hair. If you take water and oil and try to mix them together, they do not mix. The water actually stops the oil from penetrating through your strands the way how you want it to. So they say you can do it while your hair is damp, but I don't see the point of applying oil to wet hair. I don't think you are getting your full results that you're looking for with applying hot oil onto wet hair. So I encourage you, if you're gonna do this treatment, wash your hair and dry it first, then go in with oil. Now, after I combine the two different oils that I have, I pulled out the braids, and now I am just applying this straight. I'm actually rubbing this through my hair, making sure that every part of my hair gets oil. To lock in the oil into your hair, you need to re-braid your hair. So this ensures that the oil will do the process in which you want it to do. Now the question is, why do we use hot oil? What's the reason? How does it help our hair? When it comes down to your hair, it helps with damaged hair. If you know that your hair is dry, if you know that your hair has split ends, if you know that your hair is breaking, this actually brings back moisture to your hair. It helps to strengthen your hair, and it also helps to protect your hair from any further damaging. Now, when it comes onto your scalp, now, the scalp part is very tricky because we have different scalp problems. We have dandruffs, we have dry scalp, we have scalp psoriasis, we have eczema on our scalps. So that part is very tricky. But what it does when it comes onto your scalp, it helps to bring moisture to your scalp. And remember, our scalp is more important than our hair. If that sounds weird, let me explain myself. Where does our hair start? It starts from the scalp. If we are not treating our scalp properly, if we're not moisturizing our scalp properly, then how do you expect to have beautiful hair? Our scalp health is very important. So we need to ensure that we hydrate our hair follicles all the time, so it will help to prevent any future damage that we do not want to our hair. Now, when it comes on to what type of oil do I use, it really doesn't matter. Choose what oil that works with you, because what might work for me might not work for you, and what might work for you might not work for me. After applying this oil to my hair and my scalp, I'm going to use this cling wrap and I'm going to wrap up my hair. And what this does is that it helps to seal in the natural heat that's going to come from my head. Now, the natural heat is going to help the oil to process more and to do exactly what it's supposed to do. Now, I applied 3 wraps. I just ensure that I wrapped my perimeter, my nape, and my crown. On top of that, I'm going to go in with a stocking cap, and that's to ensure that my cling wrap does not move. And then on top of that, I'm going to go in with a plastic hat again. So for the entire day, that's how I was. And then when I went to bed, I actually wore my hair just like this to bed. A tip for you is, if you're going to have this in your hair, you need to walk around with a towel around your neck because the oil will run down your neck. And if you're going to go to your bed with this, you need to put a towel over your pillow so you don't mess up your pillow or mess up your bed. And if you ask, is this okay for me to leave in my hair overnight? Of course it is. It's natural oil. We do use it on a daily basis, some of us. So to leave it in your hair overnight, this just helps more for the process of doing the hot oil treatment anyways. So after I pull out my hair, I'm just going to go in with my white tooth comb. And I did not have any tangles. Not one. My comb went through my hair like butter. And the hairstyle that I got after, honestly, I could rock this if I wanted to. I could, because I used to rock my hair like this when I was in high school. But I used to put bantu knots or chiny bump at the end, so the end would look curly and the hair would look how it is. So to wash my hair out, I'm going to use my Dr. Miracle conditioning shampoo and my Silk Elements Advanced conditioner. I washed my hair twice with the shampoo and once with the conditioner, and this is how my hair looks. For my leave-in, I'm going to use my Cream of Nature Argan Oil leave-in conditioner. Nowadays, my hair takes less time to dry because I've just come up with a different way how to dry my hair. And I'm not going to lie to you, today, my hair dried so quickly because the blow dryer was just running through my hair like butter, just like how the comb was. That's how this was. I used to use the Kiss blow dryer, but To me, that does not have enough power for my hair to dry my hair. It used to take me a longer time to dry my hair, but nowadays it takes me 4 to 5 minutes to just dry my hair. And I do not completely dry my hair. I just make sure that the roots are dry and the ends can be somewhat damp. That's okay for me because I'm not going to use another hot tool on my hair the same day unless it's an emergency. But once I have time, I will not use hot tools in my hair twice in a day. For my heat protectant, I'm going to use the Silk Elements, and to complete my hair, I'm using my Cream of Nature Argan Oil. Now, my hair looks so pretty. I have told y'all, I have been treating my hair now every single week, and I have seen the difference in my hair. And I encourage you, if you can treat your hair every week, do so. You'll see the health difference in your hair. So guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you learned also from this video, and you'll see a new video coming soon. Bye.